Quick look at the xBrat Stocks Predator, a standalone dashboard for both fundamental and technical analysis. First of all, we have three main scans in the basic package. We have the xBrat Algo scanner, which looks from 3 to 6 star buys and sells, 12 points of control making 6-star sell. We have an unusual options activity scanner and an insider activity scanner. The pie charts on this main front page are for the insider activity for buys and sells by industry, to give you an understanding where the heavy sectors are for buying and selling. We also have the manual watch list, where you can put on the stocks that you particularly look at any one time. And then we have the Confluence meter. So out of the 8,000 stocks that we scan, if those stocks appear on 2 or more of the scans, there's a large bit of confluence between technical and fundamental data, and they're the stocks to look at. So this is the insider activity panel here. 4 trading charts, go over them really quickly in a minute. But basically, when we get that confluence meter saying PBF, there was xBrat Algo signal to go short. There was also lots of selling. We can see that in the data there. And then those are the sells in there with the particular type of the people or the institutions that own more than 10% of that particular stock. Then there's the 4 charts, go through that in a minute. And also then that's that xBrat Algo signal on the daily chart down on that bottom right there as well, where the yellow ellipse is. The SEC form as well is downloaded straight into this platform from the SEC as soon as it's filed, and that helps with the scans. And this is what the SEC form looks like when we enlarge it within that panel there. Then this is the 4 charts made a little bit bigger. We have a daily time frame with technical analysis on there. We have a weekly time frame. We have a 4-hour time frame and an intraday 30-minute time frame. Lots of technical indicators from xBrat on those charts. Next, we have the unusual options activity pane, but I've actually just made one of those charts bigger there just to highlight some of that technical analysis. So ESTC appeared in the Confluence scanner on numerous occasions for xBrat Algo or the harmonics, or indeed unusual options activity. We can see this is the daily chart, and the first 2 ellipses we can see a harmonic pattern completing on the daily time frame just before earnings. When we get unusual options activity to the downside for this at this point here, this is the confirmation of that harmonic pattern completing in the automated completion zone, and the short going through this particular pivot just here where the cursor is after earnings is the good short play for options playing there. Then we further on in time, down on the right here, we have another harmonic pattern complete in the automated completion zone just as we are getting earnings. Again, unusual options activity with calls there would give us that confluence of both technical and fundamental, and we would look for that long, and as it is, it gapped up and we got another 6-star buy there as well. So that's the xBrat Stocks Predator brief overview.